Manoj Publication presents all-in-one computer course. To select any topic, click on its button. Select any option by clicking it. Select any option by clicking it. Microsoft Word. Creating file and saving file. First of all, click on Start button and then go to Programs and then go to Microsoft Office menu and click it. Now click on Word option in the Microsoft Office. It is shown through the red color box. In Microsoft Word, you can type your document. For example, type any letter or application and then click on File menu. Now, click on Save option. The dialog box of Save As appears. Here you can type the name of your file and then click on Save button. Thus, your document will be saved with your given name. To change the file name. To change file name of a document, right-click on its icon. In response to this, a menu will appear. In this menu, click on Rename option. Now, type Wonderland. Now, click outside the file. Thus, the name of document is changed. Different view. MS Word shows 4 types of layouts from which you can opt any one, like Normal, Web Layout, Print Layout, and Outline. Click on View in menu bar. Click on Normal option. Now, the document will appear in normal view. Click on View in menu bar. Click on Web Layout option. Now, document appears as Web Layout view. Click on View in menu bar. Click on Print Layout. Now, the document appears as Print View. Click on View in menu bar. Now, click on Reading Layout. The document appears as Reading Layout view. Click on View in menu bar. Click on Outline. Now, document appears as Outline Layout view. zoom out. Click on View in menu bar. Click on Zoom option. By clicking up or down in percent column, you can change the zoom percent. Click on Up button flashing on the screen. Thus, the zoom percent will be changed. Click on OK. Now, you can see the changed percent in property bar. Office Assistant. Click on Help option in menu bar. Click on Show the Office Assistant. Now the icon of Office Assistant appears on the screen that you can click. Click on the Office Assistant dialog box and type Print. Then click on Search button. Now, the Office Assistant will give you information about the print. Click on Cancel Printing. Now, the information about cancel printing will be shown. To close the Office Assistant icon, right-click on it and click on Hide. The Office Assistant disappears from screen.